Come on there. Your green onions, a little bit of sesame, and how posh does that look? Come on. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, ground beef and pepper stir fry. A Chinese using beef mince or ground beef, whatever you know it by. Easy, quick, on the table, 15 minutes. Make sure you've got your rice on. Okay, garlic on here. Let's give it a mashing. Come on. Nice and easy on this. Whatever you like, big or as small as you like. Mince it, whatever. Leave it in chunks, up to you. That'll do for me. Some big bits there. Lovely. There we go. Right, we got a little bit of onion. Let's crack on with that. I've got a tiny bit left over there. Look, and a small onion. So we are just going to cube it or dice it, whatever you want to call that as well. There you go. Save that for the peppers. In there. Come on. And I've got this small one. Come on. We'll have a little bit bigger on this one. There you go. Nice. So we got some small bits that are going to go in there. We got these other ones, you know, and you can break these if you want like that. And then you're going to get chunks of onion in there. Nice little bit of square cubes. They're going to look really nice in your stir fry. On there. Right, peppers. Nice. And again, it's the same. We want some cubed peppers. Now I've got 3 peppers here. I've got the red, green and yellow, but you can just do red and green if you want, or just do all of one colour. Entirely up to you, you know. Now we want some cubes. Okay, don't go anything flash on this. Everything wants to be roughly the same. Have we got a bowl? We have in there. So we'll do the, oh, this green one's a bit starting to turn, look. It's a wrinkly old thing. This'll do. In there. Quite a lot of peppers, but it is a beef and pepper stir fry. And we've got some green onion, which we want to give it a little chop through. Nothing flashy about this either. And we want a little bit of green onion to go over the top. So we'll put that actually with the onion. That doesn't matter if it cooks. Right, we want some little bits on there to put over the top of our dish. And we'll probably chuck some sesame seeds on as well, just to make it look Chinese or Western Chinese. There you go, straightforward. Okay, we're going to make up a sauce. We'll make it up now and then we can just chuck it all in. In here is half a stock cube, half a beef stock cube in some hot water to dissolve it. We're going to boost, we're going to give it a real kick of beef flavour in this. You know, up to you, you don't have to go that way, just use chicken stock, anything like that. But it's a beef dish, let's beef it up. Right, in here, hoisin sauce, straight out of the jar. And we want a good tablespoon. There you go. We want 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. We're going to do 1 of oyster. We want about a teaspoon of sesame oil. Teaspoon of rice vinegar. Put that little sour kick in there. And you can use lime juice as well. So we've done all that. And then we're going to put in just a half a teaspoon of sugar, optional, recommended. So we've got all this going on in there, look. This is going to be our sauce. We've got our beef broth there with that cube, which hasn't dissolved, but it has now. And this is corn flour, 1 tablespoon. Corn flour, cornstarch, whatever you know it by, in there. We're going to give that a little dissolving in there as well. Now don't worry if there's any lumps in there, it's going to dissolve. That smells fantastic. Bring in a cooker, come on. And a pan, a small pan. We don't need anything big for this. Oh, hello Tony. Hello Tony, come on in. Many people want to see you. There you go. What are we going to do on here then? Hey, what is this then? Hey, we're making a Chinese. What can you smell? What do you like? What do you like, you? What do you like, you? Eh? Oh, you're getting big. Oh, where are we going? We're not going over there. Come on. Down we go. Come on. Let's get cooking, eh? Are we cooking? Eh? We are. Aren't we? Eh? Okay, it's a quick one. We got a little bit of oil going in there. Now I'm not going to use any salt or any pepper in this dish at all. We're just going to rely on there. Now when I say no pepper, obviously the secret ingredient is ground pepper. Of course it is. It's a pepper dish. So that's why we don't need to put any on the meat. Okay, in there, our meat. Start breaking it up. Brown it. Come on. Now this is one of those super duper quick recipes. Over noodles, over rice, even over mashed potato. Come on. Whichever way you want to eat it. Massive flavour boost on one of those pot noodle things. Oh, come on. Delicious. Now I'm going to use a little bit of the pepper that we are using in this dish. That's going in on that beef. And then the rest we'll throw in a second. Cook out the moisture. As per usual, there's a bit of moisture. In there, onions. Start your onions off. Now, don't overcook the onions. Start them off, get the garlic in, put the peppers in. Okay, we want a little bit of texture. However, if you like soft veg, just cook it soft. Garlic. Same, cook out the rawness of the garlic and then stir it in. There you go. Come on, let's bring that in. Now you can go ginger on here as well if you want, but not for me, not today. Peppers in. Oh, some colour now. That's what we're talking. Come on, look at that. There's your beef and peppers. What a stir fry. In there, that pepper. Now this is a very peppery dish. Cut down on the pepper if you don't want it in. But this is one of those really warm on the tongue jobs, this. We've kept a little bit, sprinkle over at the end. But look in there, you can see some serious pepper. Lovely. Just a little couple of minutes on there, soften up those peppers. We want crunch, but we want to be soft on the outs. Smells amazing. In there, our sauce. Nice little stir through. Oh yeah. Oh, we've got it. What a smell. Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. All the sauce is in there. It's clinging in there. Over there, chili flakes, optional. If you don't want to use them, don't put them in. That is absolutely fantastic. Oh yeah. You know, that hoisin and that pepper's coming through there really nicely. Let's get it served up. Fancy it up in there if you want with some of that on there. Save some for your dish. And you know, if you wanted any more pepper in there, put it in. Up to you. Come on, let's serve it up. Come on there. Your green onions, a little bit of sesame, and how posh does that look? Come on. Come on, how easy was that? Not even 15 minutes. Oh, it's a bit warm, look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You got fantastic Chinese flavour there. That hoisin comes all the way through. It's delicious. You've got the crunch on the pepper and the onion, and you've got that pepper flavour coming back through there. That is a sensational, tasty, easy dish to make. Serve it over rice, serve it over noodles, serve it over mash, put it on a pot noodle. Oh, come on. That is delicious. Oh yeah. So there you go, a super easy, tasty, really tasty dish. Tone down the pepper if you don't want to have too much pepper, but you know, it's not overpowering, it's nice and warming, but we all like different. Come on. If you like what we're doing, share with your friends and tell them how easy it is to make this stir-fried beef and black pepper, or stir-fried beef and peppers, whatever you want to call it. It's delicious. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. Come on.